Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn off comments on Facebook. Alright, and before that we need to go to a profile right in the bottom and then scroll down to a post where we want to hide the comments from. So now, I want to hide the comments from "Hi, how are you doing?" So if you tap on the three dots just right there is no option how we can turn off comments. Alright, now if you tap on edit privacy, we have our edit privacy on friends and make sure that this is on public, because the only way how you can turn off comments in public is by setting your privacy on public. Tap on done. Now please refresh your Facebook page, scroll down, and now if you tap on the three dots again, if you tap on the three dots again, you will see the option who can comment on this post. From here we can choose public, friends and established followers, friends, or profile and pages you mention. So select the one that you want. I want just my friends, then tap on done. And now only my friends can comment on this post. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.